All right, guys, check this out. Elon Musk's xAI is on a roll, raising a whopping $20 billion and aiming for a $120 billion valuation. And rumor has it, they might even be looking at snagging some U.S. government contracts. With the Grok chatbot and Colossus supercomputer in their corner, xAI is giving OpenAI and Meta a run for their money. But hold up, Microsoft is making waves too. They're bringing back Recall, that screen recording tool that caused quite a stir before. It's now opt-in and encrypted. But privacy worries are still hanging around. Over in China, Manus AI just scored a cool $75 million, stepping up to the plate against ChatGPT with some top-notch performance benchmarks. OpenAI is in talks to buy Windsurf, the AI coding tool formerly known as Codium, for about $3 billion. If the deal closes, it would be OpenAI's biggest acquisition yet, signaling a major bet on AI-assisted coding. Windsurf recently raised $150 million and is riding the wave of soaring investor interest in AI. Stay tuned. This could reshape the future of coding. Want to slash your OpenAI costs by half? Flex Processing just dropped, and it's a game changer. It's a beta feature for the O3 and O4 mini models. Flex cuts prices by 50%. If you're okay with slower responses and the occasional resource unavailable error. Perfect for testing, data enrichment, or big async jobs. Just set service tier to Flex in your API call, whether you're using Python, JavaScript, or even curl. Save big, think Flex, and supercharge your AI experiments without burning your wallet. Google's Ironwood TPUs deliver 24 times the compute power of El Capitan, the world's top supercomputer. Each Ironwood chip achieves 4,114 teraflops of peak compute, equipped with 192 gigabytes of high-bandwidth memory and 7.37 terabytes per second of memory bandwidth. To support massive models across thousands of chips, Ironwood features enhanced interchip interconnect bandwidth, 1.2 terabytes per second bidirectional, a 1.5x boost over Trillium, enabling faster, more efficient distributed training and inference. At full scale, an Ironwood pod integrates 9,216 chips, achieving an unprecedented 42.5 exaflops of compute. Ironwood doubles performance per watt over Trillium, incorporates advanced liquid cooling, and delivers nearly 30 times the efficiency of Google's first cloud TPU. Want cutting-edge AI on your laptop or even your phone? Meet the new Gemma 3 QAT models, powerful, accessible, and ready for your device. While Gemma 3 shines on massive cloud hardware, Google heard you loud and clear. You want that same power on your own gear. With quantization-aware training, Gemma 3 models shrink dramatically, without losing accuracy. Thanks to 4-bit quantization, memory needs drop by up to 4x. Gemma 3 27B from 54 GB down to 14 GB. Gemma 3 12B from 24 GB down to just 6.6 GB. Now you can run a 27B model on an RTX 3090. Ready to try? It's all available now on Hugging Face and Kaggle, with native support for Allama, LM Studio, MLX, Gemma.cpp, and Llama.cpp. Powerful AI made for everyone. Gemma 3, now in your hands. Huawei is making serious waves with its new AI system, the CloudMatrix 384, now China's most powerful domestic AI solution. It's built with 384 Ascend 910C chips, connected in an all-to-all topology, directly competing with NVIDIA's GB200 NVL72, and even beating it in some key areas. The full CloudMatrix spans 16 racks, 12 compute racks, each packed with 32 GPUs. 4 scale-up switch racks, managing massive GPU-to-GPU traffic through advanced optical links. While Huawei's chips are a generation behind, the system architecture is highly competitive, driven by major innovations in networking, optics, and software. The system delivers 300 petaflops in BF16, almost double NVIDIA's GB200, along with 3.6x more memory capacity and 2.1x more memory bandwidth. The trade-off? It requires 4.1x more power, leading to 2.5x worse power efficiency per flop compared to NVIDIA. Scaling hundreds of GPUs with true all-to-all optics isn't easy, but China's AI infrastructure just leveled up. Big time. Here's a quick breakdown of OpenAI's new models, pricing, performance, and what's best for you. The GPT-4.1 family is intended to be cost-effective equivalents to GPT-4.5 and updates to GPT-4o, even though the version numbers look a bit odd. First up, GPT-4.1. It outperforms GPT-4o in coding, multi-turn conversations, multimodal tasks, and long context reasoning. It handles up to 1 million tokens priced at $2 for input and $8 for output per million tokens. GPT 4.1 Mini offers even better value. It beat GPT-4.0 Mini and even outperformed GPT-4.0 in some tests. Same 1 million token limit, but way cheaper at 40 cents input and 1.60 output. GPT-4.1 Nano is the ultra-budget option, 10 cents per million input tokens and 40 cents per output, perfect for basic but efficient tasks. Now for the reasoning models. O3 is a beast, setting new records on reasoning and math benchmarks. It handles 200,000 tokens and costs $10 input and $40 output per million tokens. But heads up, heavy API users must verify their identity. Finally, O4 Mini is a strong upgrade over O3 Mini with better long context handling, priced at just $1.10 input and $4.40 output. And remember, all models offer 75% discounts for cached inputs. Follow us for more AI updates.